Hello, my name is Farrod. I'm 11 years old. I'm from jourd은 English.
Hello, Farrod. How are you today?
I'm good.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's start. So to start, tell me, what is this?
This is a castle.
Do you want to live in a castle?
No, I don't.
Alright. So tell me who are they?
This is a king. This is a queen.
Alright, now I want you to read and answer.
You sit on it in the playground. This is a swing. Go over water on this. This is a bridge. A kind of door into a garden. This is a gate. Bird on the river is a swan. Look at this to find your way. This is a map. You go into the castle here. This is an entrance. The way out, this is an exit.
What do these letters mean?
N means north. S means south. W means west. E means east.
Very good. Now complete the following sentences using will or be going to.
Have you got any plan for tomorrow? Yes, I am going to visit my grandmother's house. Coffee or tea? I will have some coffee, please. Why are you learning English? I am going to travel to USA. Why do you have so many bread? My friends are going to visit me today. Pizza or burger? I will have some pizza, please. Oh, we need one more player. Will you play with us tomorrow? Sure, I will play with you tomorrow. What do you want the key for? I am going to open the door. Look at the cloud. It is rain. This is going to rain.
It is going to rain.
Will you buy something for here? I think I will buy something for her.
You are correct. Answer the following question. Now look at the picture. Who is going to go for a swim?
Daisy is going to go for a swim.
Who is going to paint a picture?
John is going to paint a picture.
Who is going to cook a meal?
Raphael is going to cook a meal.
Who is going to do a puppet play?
Clara is going to do a puppet play.
What is Ella going to do?
Ella is going to make a cake.
Is John going to do a puppet show?
No, he isn't.
What is he going to do?
He is going to paint a picture.
Is Ella going to make cupcakes?
Yes, she is.
Is Clara going to do a puppet play?
Yes, she
Is
is.
Is Raphael going to cook a meal?
Yes, he
Is Raphael going to go for a swim?
is. No, he isn't.
What is he going to do?
He is going to cook a meal.
Very good. Now let's have past simple, okay? Choose a letter.
A.
Okay, what is the past simple of the verb buy?
Buy, bought.
Next.
See. Do, did. Have. Eat, ate. G. Swim, swam.
One more.
Eat. Sleep, slept.
Very good. Lastly, okay, give me 5 things that you did yesterday.
Yesterday I went to school, went to market, did homework, ate sausage for lunch, and played badminton.
Very good, Parrot. I think we're done.
Goodbye.